What's going on, OFR? This is Madeline, and today I'm going to be talking about how to get qualified for an apartment complex here in Central Florida. So if you're in your beginning stages of looking for a job and looking for an apartment, this is the video for you. So I want to go over a couple things that apartment complexes look for so you guys can get qualified. Number one, they want to see that you're making income. So you want to make sure that you're making twice. Sometimes some of them look for 2.5 or up to three times the rent. So you want to make sure you're talking to the leasing office, asking those questions. How much do I have to qualify? How much do I have to make to qualify to to apply for an apartment here? A lot of people are totally different, so you want to make sure you ask that. A lot of people want to use, you can use an offer letter if you're relocating and you just got a job here. You can use that. If you get paid four times a week, like weekly, you want to bring 4 pay stubs, sometimes 5. Of course, you have to ask also the management company because sometimes they want 5, they want 4 or 5. So if you get paid every week, most of the time it's 4. If you get paid bi-weekly every 2 weeks, then that's 2 paychecks that you can show for your monthly income, and they usually want to see it the last 30 days. Now, if you work for Uber, Lyft, Dasher, or Uber Eats or anything like that, a lot of times they don't look at the application where you can, how you get paid $50 and then you transfer it. They don't want to see that. And a lot of apartments don't want to see bank accounts. They just want to see your income. So you got to look into those jobs. If they have like a tax return, if you worked there last year, you can show them your tax returns and show them exactly how much you actually earned, because there are expenses. So you want to show them that. If they don't have that, then you're not able to use that income because they want to see tax returns. Or if you have a business, they're going to ask you for your profit and loss returns, or the P&L report. So you want to sit down with your CPA or your tax guy and let them know, hey, I need a profit and loss report so I can show them how much I made by the end of the year. A lot of these apartments don't want to see bank accounts, and I will emphasize that a lot because I've seen it and I've heard of stories that they've tried to, hey, this is how much I make, and they basically want to see just a business. Now, if you're coming from another country, from Venezuela, Colombia, and you have a company over there, you probably want to ask them, hey, I have a business over there, and they transfer money to my bank account here on a weekly, monthly basis. This is how much I get paid in from Venezuela, from that other country to the U.S. So you got to transfer those currencies and see how much money you actually make. So those are certain items that you want to, they're basically across the board. Some of them are different, so that's why you want to ask a lot of questions, so that way you're prepared on everything that you guys need to fill out the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to go over like what you need to get qualified, at least with your income. There is more. You want to make sure that you got your rental history. They're gonna want to see where you rented in the last year, and they want to kind of learn more about how your payments were. They'll go over your credit. A lot of people ask me why I got 700, I got 400, I don't have any credit. They basically sometimes just package everything up. Once the system let them know, based on how you get approved is based on your deposit. Now you want to ask them, where do they start the deposit? I've seen some of them are starting at 300, and then it can go up to 1 month. So you basically, that score is going to reflect on your deposit, and then you can pay that when you move in. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend or a family member that's relocating, and give me 2 thumbs up and just subscribe to my channel, because I will be bringing more videos to help you guys make moves. Talk to you guys later, and have an awesome day.